Hi, I'm Dave from MIMICO. Today we're going to have a look around the ET-620 Trommel from McCloskey Environmental. Let's have a look. So this machine's powered by a Cat engine. We bring these in due to their reliability and their service in New Zealand. One good feature on these machines is it's got a hydraulic hand pump that swings the engine out for servicing. So when the guys are doing their job, they have a 360 around the engine. So another easy access panel. And here we've got the battery, access to the hydraulics, access to the feed conveyor, and also adjustment for the drum wheels. So at the back we've just got the little hatch. We keep our radio remote, and we've also got a plug for the dog lead and your bits and pieces. There is also a blue remote. This here can control the feeder and engine stop as well. So another key feature to this is the big side opening door. This makes changing the drums very easy. These drums are 6 metre long by 2 metre diameter, and they're compatible with most other brands. So if you've got a spare one sitting on the shelf, it will fit into here. You don't have to go and buy a new one. So these drums are chain driven. Inside there we've got a conveyor that retracts back, and then you can lift this out with a forklift, take it away, replace your drum. Within 10 minutes you'll be back up and running. So on both sides we've got slope indicators. So if you're in some uneven ground, we can adjust this backwards, forwards to get the machine level, or we can run it at a slight angle so get a little bit more through it. So like all McCloskey Environmental equipment, it's got a very intuitive control system. Another good feature with this one is this actually swings out. So when you guys are operating, you can be standing here and pay attention to what is going on. So this machine's equipped with a hydraulically adjusted drum cleaning brush. So as it wears out, you can get it closer, or if you're in a stickier material, then you can put it closer to give it a bit more aggression. And that's the end of the walk around of the ET-620 Trommel. If you want any more information, please contact us at the Materials Processing team at MIMICO. Cheers.